Hi. So here's what I'm thinking. Go to like a scrap yard or maybe a tag sale and see if you can find first an old rim. It doesn't have to be perfect, because in GardenFork, done is better than perfect, right? And then a metal drum of some kind. And then we could make our own fire pit instead of having to go to like the fancy store and buy, well, who knows how much those things cost. What, is this $5? And this is $5? Let's go. Hey, real quick, this video is sponsored by Troy Built. Oh, that sounds nice. This is in pretty good shape. I don't really think it needs to be cleaned up at all. It is rock solid steel, right? I got this from my neighbor. Thank you, neighbor. He knows who he is. This is a half barrel that I found literally in someone's woods. And then I said, can I have that? But I think you could find this at a yard sale, maybe at a, what's a polite word? A junk store? You know, just look around. You can find stuff like this. You could use a full-size barrel. I've been building pizza ovens out of these, but then we have to cut this and we have a sharp edge. So the half barrel has this rolled edge. So it's safety first that way. I mean, that way we don't have to deal with that. Sorry. It's already done. So just please be careful, okay? Oh, if I put this on, you can't hear me. Dust mask, shield, ear protection. Whenever you're using tools like this, okay? And your glasses fall off. So I've roughed this up. I've got all the loose paint and the loose rust off. I'm not going down to bare metal. I think I'm going for like a kind of an industrial grunge kind of look. And there go the flowers. Thank you. Hey, get out of there. High heat paint. It's got a gas grill on it, so I figured if it's good enough for a gas grill, it's good enough for our fire pit. I like the black. I think it'll look interesting. If it burns through, well, it'll just look cool that way, right? So, wear gloves and a mat. Oh, that's great. Hold on. So, watching paint be sprayed on is about as interesting as watching paint dry, right? I think we agree on that. So while I'm painting this, we also need to figure out where we're gonna get the wood and how we're gonna get the wood to burn in here. I just happen to have a new tool to help us with that. Nice, huh? Let's go. Huge ash tree here. Interesting thing about ash as a hardwood and a firewood is that you can burn this just about the same day that you cut it. All right, please, personal protection equipment, face shield, eye protection, head protection. I've dropped tree limbs on my head. And put safety glasses on under your shield, chainsaw chaps, and steel-toed boots, okay? Oh, glasses are askew, sorry. Nice, huh? So I think that's enough for our fire pit test. Let's go back to the paint department and see what I did. So how do we attach the bottom, which is now, this is upside down. How do we attach the bottom to the top? And we could weld this. I love welding. There's an easier way, and I'm all about just keeping it simple. So self-tapping screws. These are sheet metal screws that have, hold on, they have a drill bit at the tip of them. So you don't have to drill a hole to get you have to drill a hole in metal to put this screw through, is what I'm saying. So this with these are sometimes called fender washers. So that, like that, in here. If you have an impact driver, this works really well. You can also just use a cordless drill, or you can use a regular drill. I mean, use what you got. This goes like this. It goes right there. Nice. This is such a game changer if you're doing any kind of light metal work. You know, this, like that kind of thing, it just goes boom, right in, and you don't have to drill a hole. You know, your drill bits are always like enough for wood, but they're kind of dull for metal. This solves that. Gotta have a little decoration on here, right? Oh, I like that. This is what I call a happy accident. It's a piece of pizza cardboard, and then it looks cool. So, I mean, I'm all about, hey, let's try this, see what happens, and let's see what happens. We gotta fire this up now, okay? The final moment. It's not really the final moment. This is actually the first video of a series about making a fire pit. And then going forward, how do we make it even better? So, let's see what happens here. While I'm loading this thing up, start thinking about ways to make this even better. Let me know in the comments. What could go wrong? How cool is that? Your neighbors will come over for this like that. They'll be like, what's going on over there? Right?
Right.
How do we make this better? Do you want to spend some more time together, you and I? Should be a video floating right there. More information about me and this stuff down below. All right?